Good morning to all. Dear student, today I will discuss acid, base and salt. The chapter number 2 of class 10 science. Okay. So let us discuss the basic properties of acid, base and salt first. Okay. So I will discuss one by one the basic properties of acid, base and salt. Okay. So acid. Now, what will be the definition of acid? Acid का definition क्या है? Okay. So what will be the definition of acid? Acid is one kind of chemical substance. When dissolved in water, it releases plus ion to water and produce hydronium ion. If I will write it chemically, then you can understand better. Say, you have taken HCl acid, hydrochloric acid, okay, and what you are doing, you dissolve it in water, which is called also aqueous solution of acid. So when you are dissolve HCl in water, then it will produce what? Hydronium ion, H2O plus, and Cl minus will be remains like this. Okay. So say you have taken a container. You have taken a container, half filled with water, and add 2-3 drops of HCl, hydrochloric acid to it. Then what will happen? When acid dissolves in water, then it will break down like this, H plus and Cl minus. And this H plus will combine with the one molecule of hydrogen, molecule of water, and it will produce hydronium ion, H2O plus. Okay, so it can be write like this: acid release H plus and to whom? Water, to water, and when it is combined with water, it will produce hydronium ion, H2O plus, and which is called hydronium ion. Okay, so this is the definition of acid. So what is acid? Acid is a chemical substance. When it dissolves in water, it releases H plus ion to the water and produce hydrogen. Now let us discuss about the basic properties or characteristics of acids. Okay, the basic properties of acids. Let me to discuss. So what will be the basic properties of acid? The first will be what? Acid turn litmus paper, blue litmus paper into red. Litmus paper is one kind of indicator. I will discuss later on what is indicator. Okay, so acid turn, first characteristics of property of acid is there. Acid turn blue litmus paper red. Okay, blue litmus paper red. This is the first characteristics of properties of acid. Number 2, acids are sour in taste. Acids are sour in taste. एसिड जब हम लोग टेस्ट करेंगे खट्टा लगेगा. एसिड्स आर सोर इन टेस्ट. नंबर 3, it release H plus ion to the water. It release H plus ion to water. Okay, already I have discussed this property. Number 4, it is corrosive in nature. Say you are keeping acid, concentrated acid in a metallic container, then definitely you will see it will react with the metals and corrode the surface of the metal. Okay. So what we can say, acids are corrosive in nature. Acids are corrosive in nature. Acids are corrosive in nature. Okay. Acids are. So these are the basic properties of acid. Okay. After that, I will discuss the basic properties of bases. So same thing will become when the first characteristic of base will be when base dissolve in water, it release OS minus sign. First characteristic will be what? Base release OS minus ion in aqueous solution or in water. Okay? In water. Number 2, it is bitter in taste, or bases are bitter in taste. Bases, or you can say it is bitter in taste. It is bitter in taste. Okay. Number 3, base turn red litmus paper into blue. Base turn red litmus paper paper turns red litmus paper blue. Just opposite the opposite of acid characteristics. Okay, acid turn blue litmus paper red, but bases turn red litmus paper blue. And this is also corrosive in nature. Bases are also corrosive in nature. So I have discussed the basic characteristics and definition of acids and bases. I hope it is clear to you all. Okay. So right now, let me discuss the different types of acids and bases. Okay. In general, there is 2 types of acids and bases. One is called natural acid or organic acids. Another is called synthetic acid or manual acid. So acids are 2 types. Acids in general 2 types. First one is what it is? Natural acid. NaTuRAL, natural acid. For example, what you can give example, natural acid, or you can say it is organic acid. Organic acid. Okay. So why the name is given to it as a natural acid or organic acid? The reason is that we get it from the nature. Okay. For example, natural acid. For example, we are getting citric acid from the citrus fruit like lemon, orange, etc. So first one is a citric acid, formic acid. This is found in the sting of the insect. Formic acid and tartaric acid. Different kinds of organic acid are there. These are the examples of organic acid or natural acid. And the other type of acid is that is manual acid. Manual or synthetic. You can say synthetic synthetic acid. Okay, manual or synthetic acid. That means it can be prepared in a lab. That's why it is called manual or synthetic acid. For example, you can give it hydrochloric acid, HCl, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, and sulfuric acid. So these are the example of synthetic acid. After that, we will discuss the different kinds of bases. Bases like acids, there is also two types of bases which you can consider as organic or synthetic bases. Bases example, bases ammonium hydroxide, NH4, OH. These are natural or organic acid. Organic, one example of organic acid. Bases, synthetic bases, for example, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, etc. Okay, so these are the synthetic acids. Right now, I'll go for another important topic, which is called indicator. In between, when I was discussing acid and base, I was mentioning you that topic, that is indicator. What is indicator actually? Indicator is a substance which change their color or smell when they are dissolved in acid or basic solution. Okay, so how we can define that indicator? Indicator is a substance which change their color or which change their color, CLOUR, color or smell when dissolved in acid or basic solution. There is also two types of indicator: nasal indicator, synthetic indicator. Okay, nasal indicator like two type of indicator. One is nasal indicator. Nasal indicator. That is spelled so. Nasal indicator. Okay, nasal indicator. For example, turmeric, cyanide solution. Turmeric solution. Number two, cyanide solution. Etc. are nasal indicator. Cyanide solution you can prepare yourself and check it whether a solution, unknown solution, is acidic, basic or neutral. So, how can you check? By using cyanide solution whether a solution is acidic, basic or neutral. For that, you have to prepare the cyanide solution. How can you prepare? You have to collect the cyanide and take the petals of it and keep it in a container, half fill it with water and supply heat to it until it is boiled. And after that, what you have to do? You have to filter that solution and bring out the cyanide solution. And if you dropwise add it to the solution which contain base, then you will see that color will be changed into deep green color. If the color of that solution which is supplied to you, it was not known to you, and if you pour 2-3 drop of cyanide solution to that solution, if the color changes to deep green, then it confirms that that solution will be what? Basic solution. And in acid solution, the color may not change, but it will be deep in color, pink color. Then it confirms that solution will be what? Acidic solution. And in water solution, the color will be not changes. If the color will be not changes after adding that solution, then it confirms that that solution will be neutral solution. Okay. So these are some natural indicators which can be used to recognize whether a solution is acidic, basic or neutral. Then after that, synthetic indicator or manual indicator. Okay, synthetic indicator, what it is? Synthetic indicator, for example, phenolphthalein, methyl orange, these are synthetic. Methyl orange. Okay. Number 2, phenolphthalein. Okay. So these are the example of what? Synthetic indicator. One more indicator is there, that is called olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicator. Olfactory indicator like this one, olfactory indicator, flavor like vanilla flavor, then orange flavor. These are olfactory indicator. Vanilla flavor, is orange flavor, etc. So we have already discussed what about indicator, what is indicator, the definition of indicator, different kinds of indicator, and their example given. So after this, I will discuss the different chemical properties of acids and bases. Okay. The different chemical properties of acids and bases I will discuss.